What's up, makers? This is the Shed-Eye, and I'm here with your Maker Shed moment. Let's get right into it with a board tour. First, power it on. On the right top, there's a wheel that works as a volume. Down is up. There's an octave switch. Vibrato for that sci-fi sound. Yeah, there you go. Mix it up. There's also on the left side is a tuning wheel. Give you that manual. Bring it all together. Oh yeah. In addition to a pretty decent onboard speaker, it also features an 1/8 inch or 3.5 millimeter jack for external sources such as headphones.
It sounds like someone's screaming.
Parents love this. You also love that it comes with 2 AA batteries, so you're ready to play on the go or out of the box. It also comes with a USB port for charging, cable not included. What is included are a set of alligator clips, which you can use to attach the different notes on the board to make your own physical keyboard. It's fun to find out what is conductive and what's not. Take a look at what we found out. This one's probably my favorite. The grape and the orange, yeah. Rock that grape. This kit is a lot of fun. There's no computer needed. You're ready to go out of the box. I suggest you buy one at the Maker Shed. And thanks for watching.